Hello, I am delighted that you have decided to join me for this series of videos on the wonderful three-part jig Much to Do About Nout, better known as Much to Do About Nothing, and even better known as Much Ado About Nothing. This version comes from the William Vickers manuscript, William Vickers of Bellingham in Northumberland. The manuscript dates from the late 18th century, but it can also be found in a handful of publications, but not that many for what is just an absolutely cracking jig that is a wonderful exploration of the sonority and resonance of the key of G on the fiddle. So I'm going to start off with a playthrough. I'll play it a couple of times and then we'll take it from there.